Bevon Lewis, first time that we're going to talk to you. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing really good. Just finished up a pretty grueling practice. Last wrestling grind before the fight.
Going to be going up to LFA, taking on one of the Yohn brothers. We know they like to wrestle. What do you know heading into this fight?
That's all I know is about his wrestling. But man, what I really prepare for is MMA. Good wrestling. I mean, wrestling is only effective if it's shotgun. So, I just leave it up to him how he's gonna do it and how he chooses to bring the fight. Either way, I'm ready for all of it.
So as we said, we've seen each other around the gym for a while. How long have you been here?
I've been here for about 8 weeks now. Going around 3 months, but 8 weeks mostly. That's all I really remember. I came here and just started training.
And where'd you come from?
Came from Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia.
Where were you training out there?
I was at an ATC Gwinnett, so it was like one of the branches from Coconut Creek, Florida. But they actually moved up to Georgia, one of the smaller branches with some really good fighters also. But I decided to make the move because, just career-wise, sometimes you just feeling that change and the change for the better.
And right now your record is?
2-0. So
2.
Green.
You're green.
Well, the record is green.
How much of an amateur run did you have?
Man, I had 14 fights.
You're not green.
Well, they were saying pro that I'm green, but I mean, that's my secret.
I'm like, it's a lot of. You've had some cage time though, yeah.
And what I learned is the only difference is between amateur and pro is that 2 minutes time in the round. So.
Was that something that it took a while to get used to after so many amateur fights? Was that cardio jump or not really?
Not really, man. I'll tell you what I had to get used to is elevation. That's the only thing, but the fights that I had as an amateur, some of them were against some really tough guys. They lasted all the rounds, so when I moved over to pro, going a few rounds wasn't a big deal. I sort of enjoy the fight as we go on. It's never really, oh man, the second round, oh man, the third round. First round finish would always be nice, but like I said, I just enjoy the whole thing.
Concentrating on being an MMA fighter, how would you describe your style though?
I had a lot of favorites, but a lot of people say, oh man, you fight like Silva or Jones, but the thing is, like, the first fighter I really watched was Rampage, because I liked him so much. So I changed throughout the years. But if I could put it all in one, I'd say I'm a good grinder. I feel like Pac-Man when I'm fighting. So just nice little pace, keep my pace going that nice little jog, and keep the fight where I want to keep it.
What was your athletic background before coming to MMA?
I was an athlete. I did a lot of sports. Whenever I did wrestle, it was during the summer, a lot of summer wrestling workouts, like football, played a little baseball, did a little field hockey, stuff like that. It was just sports, so it's like athleticism was always there.
What was it about the combat sports, mixed martial arts that spoke to you that you wanted to make this, obviously, your journey?
The sound, it's gonna sound funny, but the sound of a pad. I hit a pad one time and the way it sounded, I was like, I can get used to this. And then I sparred and I was like, no, I'm not gonna do this. But then, it was a good turnaround because it sort of mentally it shows, what you can do, what you can dish out, what you can take, and I'm not a quitter. So.
Thank you, Risky Escobar, for that background jump. Yeah, bye, Ricky.
I'm not a quitter, so just kept going with the sport, and eventually it just became mine.
Being down here at the gym, a lot of fans come in and out. Gotta ask, how many times have people confused you with Jon Jones since you've been down here?
So in the gym, they see him. So I don't want to say they confuse me. Maybe they got to do a little double take to make sure I'm not him. But there's a couple times on the street going to the petrol station and maybe a store or something. This guy came up to me. He's like, "You're Jon Jones." I'm like, "No, I'm not." He said, "It's okay. I won't tell anybody if you are." Like, no, I'm not him. I'm not him. It'll be weird if I'm like, "Oh yeah, it's me," and then, "No, you're not. You're a phony." Nah, but I've heard it a lot.
You've heard it. I just kind of had that feeling. You guys got the same kind of beard and the
it's weird, man. It's weird because it's like you were born a certain way. You didn't think that this guy would be like a lightweight champion, like that legend, and then you just looks like somebody like that, and then you're just like. You do. It could be worse. It actually could be bad. It's not even a bad thing, so I'm not mad about it.
getting a big chance with your 3rd professional fight, Legacy Fighting Alliance, a big promotion. What do you do to go in there to make a statement, to make the most of this opportunity?
I had most success with just having fun. Just having fun, and like I said, like, you know, we want to end it in the first round or in the first minute. But like I said, I enjoy the process. I enjoy as a fight go on. I enjoy seeing what else I can do to make the fight better or make the fight worse. Yeah. So it's just that. It's nothing to it. And make sure you trust your team, man. You trust your team, trust your coaches, and you have great success. I have great success with that.
How much do you enjoy this? You seem to be, you know, to really enjoy everything that I've seen. Even going through some grueling wrestling practices I've looked at, you seem to be enjoying the training, enjoying what you're doing.
It's like going zombie pretty much. I got people always talk about how cardio is so hard, but if you enjoy it, you don't really think about all the gruelingness. Like once you cool down, of course, you're like, damn man, I need something like, you know, to get me back in the game. I need a nap, but during it, you don't really feel it. You know, it's just fun. Like I said, it's like playing tag almost. You know, get that adrenaline rush and you just go in there.
Several members of the gym, all you guys on the card. Does that mean something with how the preparation has been going, with the tempos going leading up to this one?
That is cool. I mean, found out about the fight about a week and a half ago, but then I found out some team members found out. It actually makes me a little more happy. You know, it's like more people that got your back. Of course, they want to see you win, and they got their fight. And you're gonna build off of their energy. You're gonna build off of their win, because I have confidence in all the team members that they're gonna win, and also showing what I got too, because they, of course, you know, they want to see what we got. So yeah, and like just being here is a dream come true. Like the other day, I'm just driving. I'm actually in the gym that I used to see on YouTube, on TV, and actually I'm here now. So that's always think about that. It's actually a really good thing.
Does it add some motivation coming in here with that?
Motivation. It's just the confidence behind it. Like nothing. It's like you feel unstoppable. You know. Of course, you're getting in the fight, but still, you know, it's just that. Yeah, it's hard to describe, but if anybody out there knows what I'm talking about, I'm sure they know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm sure they know what I'm feeling.
I gotta thank you for the time. Last but not least, for the people that you need to thank, shout out to.
Well, getting here, you know, gotta thank God. You know, all this would be possible. Then my father, biggest supporter, and my little brother out there, also an up-and-coming fighter, Bevon. You know, they'll look for you soon. Then the coaches out here, you know, and the coaches that I started with to get me in this, you know, hone my skills, and the coaches here that noticed me and, you know, helped me build myself up physically, and just my family and friends, you know.
Thank you for the time.
Thanks.